Today is March the 25th, 2017. We are in Port. How you say this word? Lakaya Marketplace. I don't know who this lady is. She's been following me around. We in the marketplace.
Since you bombarded me on the boat, on the boat.
What you call that? What you call it when you help somebody get well and they feel obligated?
Sick and shut in.
No, it's a word they got it for. Go over here to the right. All these places should be open. I feel empty-handed. Am I missing something?
I'm carrying everything.
What's every? It's all yours. You wanted to bring another bag on top of that. I met this wonderful lady on the ship. It was her birthday. She came and stood next to me. Her first was, "Is anybody with you? If so, I don't want to get beat up."
No, I didn't say that.
What'd you say?
I said I didn't want to take anybody's space.
Anybody's space. But she's so small, she can't take up too much space.
Big things come in small packages.
Go to the right. My friend said I need to get a conch salad. Yeah.
Hey.
Everything's still closed.
Yeah, till 10.
We'll go to the beach. Thanks.
Thank you.
That's why you don't have to worry about going on a cruise by yourself, because you will meet somebody that the tour guide with. Why are you hiding? You want to? I'm about to get paid off. You must be wanted. Hiding.
Oh, Jesus, the Mac store.
Ooh, that storm must have tore this stuff up, because this thing was all fixed up.
Really?
Oh yeah. All the paint off the things. That was a category 4. Look at this. Look at the roof. I think it was Matthew. Every roof down here is tore off. Oh, the little mosaic still here. You should take a picture by that.
The who?
Mosaic. It's a man and a woman. Oh yeah, the storm didn't hurt that.
Oh, this is
Yeah, you ain't see it? I ain't know you didn't see it. I was like, that, she must not like
I
it.
didn't see it. Can you hold this so I can get a picture?
Okie dokie.
I'll put it here.
Getting kind of heavy, I carry it. Authentic Bohemian cuisine. An egg is an egg to me. I don't care where you eat it at. No, they kill me with that stuff. I don't care what part of the world you're in. They just gonna put some different flavoring on it. Or do something crazy and call it Bahama Mamas. They be getting twisted this early? Morning. Serving Greek, Bahamian, and American cuisine.
Greek. They have a souvlaki salad.
A who?
Souvlaki.
I ain't never heard of that.
It's a salad with chicken, and it's feta cheese, black olives, tomatoes, onions, with this garlic.
No meat?
Chicken.
No, I could do it with no meat.
Yeah, you can get it without meat. Because this right here that we see is not what they show on that video.
This is all you get? Oh yeah, I took pictures by these backgrounds too. You probably want pictures there. There's one there and there's one there.
Yeah, but I want pictures without my phone.
Without your who?
Right now. I can do it right now.
Yeah, because you said before you get in the water.
You can't talk about, you have to keep all your comments.
This is live, so I ain't worried. I mean, not live, but it's being recorded.
No, please don't.
It's too late. Let nobody know your name. And you and your common name.
Can you get as close as possible?
Yes, I will get as close as possible.